Hello again, welcome to Fifth Wheelers Australia, and today we're talking LiftCo slide outs, and they're typically found on these Winnebago Esperance or Alpine or something similar to that. In a previous video I have talked about the problem we're having with the pin down here shearing off, and we can fix that. We do have to pull the slide out on this scissor arm. But another little topic or another little product that's failing, it's this little brass thread that's in this little holder, you could call it. And it runs, it's in the floor of the slide out. There's two of these Acme threads. They're about 1 metre long. And they run, there's a couple of little trapdoors in the floor, and set down in the floor is this little plastic housing that holds a brass thread. If the slide out gets sideways, the brass thread starts to eat out, and if you can have a look there in that one, it's eaten out really bad, and that's the newie. So fairly straightforward to put in as long as we can get these step bolts out. These step bolts are an Allen key, and quite often they break off or the nut underneath comes loose, so there's a bit of work to get them out. If they come out, we can do the job. So if you need a repair on your LiftCo, contact us at Fifth Wheelers Australia in Ballarat. Thanks.